Louisiana Flood of May 2021. When and where? This flood happened on May 17th, 2021 in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Through the 20th. They ended up getting 15 inches of rain in a 12-hour span. It was the third heaviest rain event in the history of this town, and it was caused by streams and large rivers flooding. Baton Rouge, Louisiana was also directly affected from this also. Cost in lives. The total cost for the damages was $1.4 billion, which is quite a lot for a flood. 5 deaths were caused by this flood, which was confirmed on May 20th. Floods and costs, again, 23 floods in total have happened in the U.S. in the past 20 years, from 2001 to 2021. It has cost us $86.1 billion in total, and floods are still increasing all over the U.S. because of climate change and will continue increasing in places that are humid, wet, and warm. Meteorological conditions, a lot of them are tropical storms, heavy rainfall, cyclones, low pressure systems, thunderstorms, snowmelt, debris flows, and the main reasons for Louisiana's floods was large amount of rain in a short period of time. Climate change. So climate change is more obvious in warm, wet climates. As you can tell, that's where a lot of storms happen. Louisiana is humid, wet, and warm, which is a perfect place for flooding to exist. Climate change can cause major severe storms, floods, and landslides, which are all very scary. Climate change in Louisiana was a main reason of why it was flooded on May 2021. It is a hot, humid, and wet environment and will continue getting hotter throughout the years, which will cause many more severe storms. It makes it extreme weather and it makes it a more deadly place to live because it has intense precipitation by slow tropical storms. How to prepare for a flood. As anyone should know, you should have an evacuation plan because there's no reason you should really be staying in a severe flood because it is dangerous. There's most likely phone lines, power lines will be down. Having a flashlight and batteries in your survival kit would be also a good thing to have. Just because power might be out. If it's dark out, then you won't be able to see. And sandbags to help prevent flooding in your house. Well, it's just a more humane way to help with that. And applying for food insurance is always a good way to know that your food is secure and you'll still be able to afford it after a flood, because it does cost a lot of people money when situations like this happen because it's extremely stressful. And another thing is to move valuables that you can't take with you to a higher place so they don't get damaged from water. Okay.